Hey guys, welcome back to New World Carpentry Solutions. If you guys haven't pieced it together in the previous video, all the rips and everything else we were making was so I can make another batch of cutting boards. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to cross cut them all to proper length before I feed them through the planer, or rough length actually. I take all these down to rough length. I do have one surprise for you guys at the end of the video. We're not just making cutting boards, and they're not all just face grain. Some of them are going to be in grain. We do one custom serving tray. My first actual epoxy pour actually gets done in this series of builds. And some of you guys might wonder why I'm making a bunch of cutting boards. I am a full-time general contractor. Whenever I finish a kitchen, a bathroom, or typically any build or any job, I'd like to give the clients a gift. One, to let them know that I'm not just, a general contractor. I can do more than just your floors or your crown molding, your stairs, etc. I try to let them know that I also build things. Also, I want to let them know that I appreciate them. And then after doing this door build, I actually had a lot of leftover mahogany small pieces of scraps. So I figured take the mahogany, some of my other off-cut hardwoods, and make a series of cutting boards. One I can give to each one of the clients that I recently finished doing a job for. And then, a few to sell if I get a chance to. But one thing I can say is I'm terrible at marketing. So a lot of my stuff I put on Facebook Marketplace. Despite what YouTube tells you guys, I have yet to figure that whole marketplace out to actually sell things. But I do make some really nice projects, and my clients, they for sure love them. And I do get some return clients from it. So I feel it is a worth it endeavor. So if you are a general contractor but you want to dabble in woodworking on the side, I definitely encourage you guys to make smalls to give to all your clients, because these projects, again, they open up your clients' eyes to the skills that you do have. And also, you never know, you might get a call back for a dining table in a few years. So I figured this is just something I like to do. But in this process, after getting everything cross cut to rough length, I started feeding everything through the planer just to get all the glue squeeze out and everything else off. I could have scraped it beforehand, probably should have, would have made less passes through the planer. And it's also better for my blades. It's better not to be hitting a bunch of glue sections. And also, by having a perfectly flat board by previously scraping the glue, it goes through the planer and you're less likely to get any type of snipe at the end. But again, all these are slightly oversized. So this is just, again, to get it generally cleaned up. Then I'm going to cut them to the proper length, go through the profiling process, juice screws, sanding, water popping, and etc. But a few of them do give me some leftover length on them, like that one right there that I didn't cut to an actual cutting board length. I plan to actually piece together the offcut sections of those to kind of make like a mosaic almost serving tray that I'm going to fill the middle in with epoxy. First epoxy pour, I had some leftover casting epoxy from the door build, and I figured, hey, perfect time to use it. You guys will see that not even fumble, but that series of processes in the next couple videos. But I think these cutting boards are coming out flawless. I love the look of multi-species of wood all in one cutting board. I do want to probably take some of these and actually do a wavy pattern, kind of take them through the bandsaw and cut a wave and then re-glue them. I love how those look. So I do want to make some more creative ones, but one thing I tell most of my clients is that I'm really good at the nails and wood part, but the creativity and the artistic aspect of what I do is not my strongest asset. I make rectangles. If I don't have input, I'm going to give you a rectangle. I used to tell my ex-girlfriend that too. She wanted me to build us a nightstand or a dresser. I'm like, without input, it's going to be a regular rectangle. So that's why I make a lot of cutting boards. I try to think outside the box. So if any of you guys have some really cool ideas of builds that I should do, definitely let me know down in the comments. I'm trying to step outside the box of what I build inside of the shop, because without, again, a set of plans, or not even plans, but I need a picture. I need inspiration, and then from there I can figure out how I should build it. But without those set of plans, I'm pretty much just shooting in the dark, which leads to a bunch of rectangles. But I think they're pretty rectangles, so it's still justified. But yeah, after everything is planed down, in the next video, we're going to actually get everything cut to the proper length and then go into the actual final glue ups, because I do have some in-grain cutting boards to make. But if you guys want to take a look at some of these quick shots, I think they look phenomenal. And if you guys enjoy it, let me know down in the comments, leave me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.